everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Millet. Today we're gonna make this beautiful purple taro loaf. We'll first prepare the taro filling. Let's put in the simmering basket and place 75 grams of taro and fill in 500 grams of water and cover the lid and steam for 30 minutes while warmer speed 1. Meanwhile, you can prepare a large bowl and grease it with oil. When taro is ready, remove the simmering basket using the spatula and discard the steaming water. And place the steamed taro back into mixing bowl. Put 10 grams of sugar, 5 grams of honey, and 10 grams of whipping cream. And 3 grams of purple sweet potato powder. Close the lid, mix for 20 seconds, speed 5. And then scrape out the side of the mixing bowl and mix for another 20 seconds, speed 5. When it's ready, transfer it into the container and set it inside the refrigerator for later use. After cleaning the mixing bowl, place 210 grams of milk into it. And add in 9 grams of yeast, 40 grams of sugar, and close the lid. Warm it up for 3 minutes, 37 degrees, speed 2. When it's done, place 275 grams of bread flour, 3 grams of salt, and cover the lid. Remove the measuring cup and start kneading for 6 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare 25 grams of butter. After the dough kneading for 3 minutes, add the butter into the mixing bowl through the hole one by one and let it continue kneading until the 6 minutes is up. When it's ready, transfer the dough to a clean work surface on a baking mat by twisting the base counterclockwise to remove the plate from the mixing bowl. Divide the dough into 2 portions and transfer one of the portions back into the mixing bowl. And add 4 grams of purple sweet potato powder into the mixing bowl and knead for another 2 minutes. While it's kneading, shape the plain dough into the ball shape and transfer it into the prepared greased large bowl. And cover the bowl with a cling film or a cloth and set it aside. When the purple dough is ready, transfer it onto the clean surface and shape it into the ball shape. Place it into the prepared grease bowls as well and let it proof for about 1 hour or until double in size. While waiting for the dough to proof, let's make the crumb topping. Put in 25 grams of butter, 50 grams of cake flour, and 25 grams of sugar into the mixing bowl. And 5 grams of purple sweet potato powder. And mix it for 10 seconds, speed 4. When it's ready, transfer the crumb into the bowl and set it aside. When the dough is done for the first proving, prepare a loaf tin and grease it with some oil. And let's lightly flour the work surface before transfer the dough onto it. And transfer the purple dough onto the work surface using the rolling pin to flatten the dough and form a rectangle shape with the width of 20 cm and the length of 25 cm. When it's done, cover the flattened dough with the cling film and repeat the same step with the second portion of dough. After flatten both of the dough, put the purple dough at the bottom and layer it with the second dough. on top of it. And then spread an even layer of the taro filling over the bottom half of the dough using a spatula. And then fold the upper half of the dough over to cover the taro filling. And then take a sharp knife or a scraper, cut the bottom part of the dough into strips and leave the full part uncut. Make it into about 6 to 7 strips, and take each of the strip and twist it 6 to 8 times, and roll the dough from the top tightly, form a log shape. And then use a scraper, scrape it up and transfer the dough into the loaf tin. And then let it proof inside the tin for another 1 hour. After the second proofing, sprinkle the crumb on top of the dough and bring it to bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 170 degrees. When the loaf is ready, remove it from the tin and let it cool on top of the cooling rack before slicing it. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like it. I'll see you next time. Bye!